Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Chris Underwood, artist from Windsor, Ontario, and in this week's video we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be working within my sketchbook. This isn't just any regular sketchbook, this is the Sketchbook project brought to you by Brooklyn Art Library. If you guys don't know what this is, it is a sketchbook project of the world's largest library of artists' books crowdsourced from every corner of the globe. It's pretty cool. I was recommended it by a friend. I love just working in a sketchbook, just getting ideas out as quick as possible, just really exploring, not set to any confinements. It's a lot of fun and I'm excited to fill this thing out. I thought it'd be really cool to take you guys along, make this a series where I can just pump out a few pages here and there and then at the end show you guys the full thing. I did a few drawings, not on camera, before I decided to turn this into a series, so I thought it'd be cool to take you guys through it and show you the first few drawings I did off camera. Okay, so first drawing that we have here is this weird alien dude. I don't really know what I was going for, but it looks like his eyes like peeling away and dripping away. And you can tell I was really trying to make it look like maybe there's like a fan or something here blowing all of his skin off and like little droplets just pushing off. I like the vibe of it. It'd be cool to explore this a little further and try to create a universe around this because he looks like an astronaut. He's got this weird helmet thing. Overall, I think it turned out pretty cool and I'm pretty happy with it. Here we have this weird snake thing. It is not complete, I can tell. It's just a face right now. I was planning on having it like loop up and around and like come around, but I must have got bored and just moved on. That's kind of the spirit of this. It's to work on what I'm passionate about in the moment, try to get ideas out quickly. It's not really focused on finishing. Maybe I'll come back and fill in these spaces, but maybe not. This is just for fun. I do like this guy, I like this big eye. I'm a fan on how I achieved the wrinkles in his smile and how it's very over exaggerated. Still creepy, but still cartoony and fun. And the last one that I've done off camera is this piece over here, just on the other side. It's following that Cubone style that I've been doing a lot. If you see my other sketchbook video, I really exaggerated the amount of bone shards coming off of this way and the pieces. I know I started with just an eye on this one and then just went around it and tried to come up with a cool form to hold the eye. This one turned out okay. I really want to play with these more, but get away from just this shape. If you've seen my other ones, it's a very linear from bottom left to top right, and I'd like to expand this more and maybe have more flowy bits coming off and really push it further in maybe another direction. Overall, I am happy with it. It's just a quick sketch and it can be pushed further though. Okay guys, those are the first 3 sketches. Now let's do another one on camera. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be more of this series coming out. I'd like to put it out every other week or so, trying to really push out more content for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week, and thank you for watching.